Okay, this is the basics video. This is going to be, it's absolutely basics, page 74. I'm skipping. It's the ricochet exercise. This I want to coordinate with the Handel Halverson Passacaglia that you guys are all playing. So we're starting at, what was that metronome marking? 40, 50, 60? We're going to start at 50 and put the triplets. 1, 2, 3. D dot 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 dum. This is like the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so one of the ideas he says, you can read the little thing he talks about in Ricochet on page 74 and 75. He talks about a way to practice it is to practice without your first finger. Sorry. So you can feel the natural spring of the bow. What I want you to do is I want you to play it on your highest string with a third finger. So for violin, that's the note A. For viola, it's the note D. So let's start at 50. So you're going to put the metronome on at 50. For this tempo, you're kind of near the middle of the bow. Actually, it's a little lower than the middle of the bow. I don't know if you can see in mine. It's a little bit, it's above the balance point because my balance point is here. It's a little bit above the balance point and slightly below the middle. And we're taking the first finger off. 3, 1. 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1. I don't want you to play the notes in measure. This is measure 77 in Handel Halverson until you can play just one note correctly with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. And I'm taking, you have to have your first finger off the bow. So, oops, 2, 3, 1. And you kind of have to like do a windshield wipe, do a little one to get it bouncing. Okay, then once you can do it, then you could practice. Still no first finger. I don't know if you can see in the video. And violas are 2, 3, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 1. 3, 1. I'm just doing the first group of them. Okay, if you can't get that even right off, then you have to just practice 1, 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. So only do 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3. So start with 3 and see. Don't go on until you can get just 1, 2, 3. And the last one is always an up, up. So it's down, down, up. And when it's 4, it's 1, down, 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 up. Okay, so that you don't go on. You got to get it on one note. And if you can't get 4, you just get 2. Once you get 2, then you can go to 4 on one note. Once you get it, then you can do the first group of 5 notes in the Handel Halverson, which is the violin is, and viola is, depending on what part you play. Okay, so then when you get that, and you're good at that, let's put it at 60. So same thing. 3, 1. 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. 3, 1. I want you to see my first finger's off. There's no first finger on the bow. If you can't do that, then you do 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3. Get 1, 2, 3. Then get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, oops, I was too high in the bow. I felt it. 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 1. 3, 1. 3, 1. 3, 1. Okay, and then you go to 70. You got to go all the way up to 90. So 70. Oops. It's going to get 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 1. 1. 2, 3, 1. 3, 1. 1. 2, 3, 1. Oops, 1. So I'm losing it, so I'm going to have to practice that. So the faster you can play faster as you get closer to the tip, and it's going to have a lower bounce. It's going to be slower and higher when you're nearer to the middle. So oops. I'm going to go to 3 because I'm not doing it that great yet. I'm at 70. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. Still no first finger. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. I think my problem in the beginning was I was too low in the bow when I started going faster. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. Okay, now I'm going to try 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. I'm still no first finger. Okay, it's getting decent. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. Oops. I got that one that was kind of way bouncy was too high. You got to experiment with that. And it's different with every bow. Like, you know, if you're too low in the bow or you're too high in the bow, it's not going to 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, then, you know, go all the way, do that exercise all the way to 90. Then go back to like about 70, and then you can put your first finger on. Oops. It should actually be a little easier once you put your first finger on. But I want you to go through that exercise and do that with the notes. You know, just do like, you know, do one day where you do just that first group of 4. Then maybe, you know, do the next day the next group of 4 that same way until you feel like you're pretty good at it or the concert comes in a couple weeks.